Do you feel tingling in your hands or weakness in your legs? Especially after age 60? It could be due to collagen loss, a natural part of aging that weakens your joints, nerves, and muscles. But here's the good news. Certain fruits can naturally boost your body's collagen, helping improve mobility, strength, and even nerve health. Today, we're sharing 8 powerful, collagen-boosting fruits that can make a big difference in how you feel. Let's dive in. Tangerine 1. Oranges, vitamin C powerhouse. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which your body needs to make collagen. Vitamin C acts like a builder, helping repair tissues, joints, and blood vessels. It also protects against oxidative stress, which can worsen nerve pain and tingling. A glass of fresh orange juice in the morning can go a long way. Strawberry 2. Strawberries, rich in antioxidants. Strawberries not only taste great, but they also help fight inflammation and boost collagen production. They contain ellagic acid, which helps protect existing collagen from breaking down. This means stronger skin, joints, and less nerve damage over time. Add them to your oatmeal, smoothies, or eat them as a snack. Pineapple 3. Pineapple contains bromelain. Pineapple is unique because it has bromelain, a natural anti-inflammatory enzyme. It supports collagen production and helps reduce swelling in joints and nerves. People with neuropathy or arthritis often feel relief when adding pineapple to their diet. Just watch portion sizes. Pineapple is sweet, so balance is key. Mango 4. Mango, skin and nerve support. Mango is loaded with vitamin A and C, both essential for building collagen and keeping your skin and nerves healthy. It also contains zinc, which helps your body heal and regenerate tissue. Try it diced, blended in smoothies, or frozen for a cool summer treat. Grapes 5. Grapes, resveratrol benefits. Red and black grapes are rich in resveratrol, which improves blood circulation and protects nerve endings. Better circulation means more nutrients reaching your hands, feet, and joints, boosting repair and strength. A handful a day can support long-term nerve health. 6. Blueberries, brain and nerve booster. Blueberries are one of the best fruits for brain and nerve health. They're high in antioxidants that not only protect collagen but also improve communication between nerves and muscles, reducing weakness and tingling. Toss them into yogurt or eat them fresh for maximum benefits. 7. Cherries, inflammation fighter. Cherries, especially tart cherries, have anti-inflammatory properties that protect joints and reduce nerve pain. They also help your body recover collagen faster after damage or stress. Cherry juice, unsweetened, can be a great bedtime drink for seniors with leg discomfort at night. 8. Kiwi, collagen-activating nutrients. Kiwi contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and copper, which all help activate enzymes involved in collagen creation. This tropical fruit supports skin elasticity, joint flexibility, and overall nerve strength. YW checkmark 1 kiwi a day can help maintain mobility and reduce tingling symptoms. So, if you're over 60 and dealing with tingling, weakness, or joint pain, don't just treat the symptoms. Start by feeding your body the nutrients it needs to rebuild from the inside out. These 8 fruits are delicious, easy to add to your daily routine, and can naturally boost collagen, energy, and strength. White heavy checkmark, let food be your medicine.